Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of funny cars, those wild, colorful, and ridiculously powerful machines that race down drag strips at insane speeds. Let's talk about their history, how they've evolved, and why they continue to capture the hearts of motorsport fans around the world. So what exactly is a funny car? Well, at its core, it's a type of drag racing car designed for high-speed quarter-mile races. These cars are known for their unusual, exaggerated body shapes, hence the name funny. Unlike regular drag cars, funny cars have a composite body that looks like a car you'd find on the street, but they're built to withstand some of the most extreme conditions in racing. These machines are powered by massive engines that can produce thousands of horsepower. In fact, modern funny cars are powered by supercharged engines running on nitromethane fuel, making them capable of reaching speeds of over 300 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Now let's take a quick look back at their history. Funny cars first appeared in the mid-1960s. The idea came from the growing popularity of drag racing, where fans wanted to see street-like cars racing at high speeds. Funny cars were the answer to that demand, with their more stock-looking bodies compared to the sleek and minimalist dragsters that were already dominating the tracks. But it wasn't just about the appearance. Funny cars were actually faster and more dangerous than the regular dragsters of the time. They featured shorter wheelbases, which made them much more difficult to control at high speeds, adding an extra element of thrill to the races. Fast forward to the 1970s, and funny cars really started to take shape as we know them today. They went through several design changes, with more advanced aerodynamics, stronger safety features, and even more power. The engines became increasingly more powerful, and the body designs became more and more intricate. One of the most significant changes came in the mid-1980s when the NHRA, National Hot Rod Association, implemented safety measures like roll cages, improved fire suits for drivers, and more rigid guidelines for construction. These changes allowed funny cars to keep getting faster while keeping the drivers as safe as possible. Today, funny cars are part of the NHRA's top-level competition, where they compete in the Nitro Funny Car category. These races are some of the most intense in drag racing, with drivers reaching speeds faster than 330 miles per hour in just a few seconds. So why are they called funny cars? It's because of their body design. Early funny cars were built using production car bodies, but the chassis and frames were heavily modified to handle the extreme power of the engines. The proportions of the body looked funny compared to regular cars, which is how the name stuck. These cars look like something you might drive on the street, but they were anything but ordinary. As we wrap up, let me leave you with a couple of fun facts. Did you know that a funny car can go from 0 to 330 miles per hour in under 4 seconds? That's faster than most supercars you see on the street. And to give you an idea of how intense these races are, drivers often experience forces of up to 5 Gs during a run. That's like being in an intense roller coaster ride, but in a car. Funny cars are also known for their vibrant paint jobs. Teams put a lot of effort into creating eye-catching designs, making these cars not only a race spectacle, but also a visual treat for the fans. So that's a brief look at funny cars, their history, and their role in the world of drag racing. Whether you're a motorsport enthusiast or just someone who enjoys seeing high-speed thrills, funny cars are definitely one of the most exciting aspects of the racing world. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more motorsport content. And let me know in the comments if you'd like to learn more about any other racing topics. Until next time, keep your engines revving.